God, you really did a beautiful job when you created Africa. Beautiful people, beautiful rivers, beautiful mountains, beautiful cultures. Father, teach your children to love one another again.
Africa, heal the hearts of your children. Give us peace, harmony, and prosperity. We were born from the same soil, under the same sun. Teach us to stand together as one people. Sipe ukuthula, sipe uthando Baba, sihlanganise. Give us peace, give us love, Father. Mungu wetu, tupe amani, tupe upendo na umoja. Our God, give us peace, give us love and unity. One Africa, one people, one future. From Congo to Soweto, from Kenya to Mali, the same sun shines on us all. Beneath our ground lies gold and diamonds, oil and cobalt, rivers and fertile land. Yet the greatest treasure of Africa is not under the soil, it is her people. The woman selling fruit in the street, the child running barefoot in the dust, the man working under the hot sun just to feed his family. Africa was born rich, but divided hearts made her people. God bless Africa, heal the hearts of your children. Give us peace, harmony, and prosperity. We were born from the same soil, under the same sun. Teach us to stand together as one people. Different tribes, different languages, different colors, but one blood flows through us. When one African cries, the whole continent should feel the pain. When one nation burns in anger, the whole motherland cries in silence. Tell me now, how can we build the future while fighting our own brothers? No child should feel like a stranger on African soil. On African soil. I hear the drums of West Africa, I hear the choirs of Central Africa, I hear the heartbeat of South Africa. One rhythm, one people. If we stand together, Africa will rise again. No foreign hand can destroy a united people, because unity is stronger than gold. Love is stronger than borders. God bless Africa. Heal the land of our fathers. Let peace flow like rivers. Let healing cover the land. God help Africans to love one another. Give us peace, harmony, and prosperity. Kulunkulu sifuno tan, sifuno kutula, sifuno kusasa. We want love, we want peace, we want a future. Mungu wetu tusimame pamoja, kwa amani na umoja. Afrika itainuka, Mungu wetu.
children to love again.